Hey, what's up, you guys? So today I'm going to show you how to access Moodle, well, technically, uh, on any browser. So you won't have to use the Moodle app. So what you're going to do is that you're going to need a link, which is in my description. You can click on it, but it won't be the same as using it on a browser because you're going to be accessing it on YouTube. As you can see, I'm accessing Moodle through YouTube and not a browser. So you cannot go into YouTube all the time. So to save yourself some time, just copy the link and then use it on the browser. And yeah, put in your details as you would on the app. And boom, you can access anything from here just as you would on the app, right? These are my modules. You can click on my modules to get a list of all your modules, just to skip and not scroll down for a list of all the modules, which takes time. So you can just click on my modules and get a list of them. So down there's like a calendar that is meant for your assignments. Like on the day where your assignment is due, it'll be highlighted. So what happens is that on the dashboard, it's all assignments. Like every assignment is shown. But then if you go into, like, for instance, as I did here, I'm inside BNU. So the dates that are shown are only for BNU. So yeah. And you can click on the module so that you can get the info, like assignments. You can click on that arrow that's facing down. You'll get more if in case it doesn't show the assignments already. So you click on that arrow that's facing down to get a full access to your assignments and your forums. So that's just about it. So if you wanna, this is an example of what you would do or what it would look like if you logged in on your browser or any browser. Just copy, paste the link, and then it'll take you on the login page, and then same thing pretty much. And yeah, just to show you an example, because people want visual examples. Just, yeah, for in case, I don't know. And this is gonna take some time, but it'll let you in, and then it's the same thing as we did if you were to click on the link in my description. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate the support.